she's a blinking. I believe she's up and running. So today, we're not far away from our usual destination, but I came a little bit further out because I was doing a little perusing on Google Maps. I want to see if I connect one area I normally ride, which is way to fuck that way, with an area I don't typically ride, which is through here. So, I don't know. Let me set up a loop or something. Figure it out right now. Oh, turn the key on. Whoa! She's a poppin'! Ah! Old Pitbike's a little anxious today. She's rearing to go. Somebody's old TV. Keep my eyes open for big freaking rocks projected from the trail, like there is all through here. I'm already fucking seeing. Hella rocky. We'll beat up these little street tires. I hear lots of popping going off up here. These fools are fucking shooting up the countryside. That's what people do it. This thing fucking goes a little further up in the hills here. Let's try that one first. Slippery right there. Street tires ain't helping. Oh! How long has that been like that? Oh my god. I got Cookie. Oh, shells! Did you put enough bullets in the Cookie? Oh no. Oh. Oh. Cookie. Shake it off, buddy. Shake it off, Cookie. You'll be okay. You're fucking dead. I'm gonna be blasting the shit out of you. Gotta be a nice little third gear wheelie right there. Yeah, buddy. Fun times. As long as I'm not crashing, I'm having. Let's go scope that out. What do we got here? Let's hit the old high beams here. Just be careful and not fucking bite it right here.